Your team is spending 15 hours every week manually copying information from PDFs into spreadsheets, checking invoices line by line, and sorting through documents to find what they need. This script shows you how AI document processing eliminates that work entirely, without hiring developers or buying expensive software. Most small businesses handle dozens or hundreds of documents every week. Purchase orders, invoices, customer forms, contracts, receipts. Every one of those documents requires someone on your team to open it, read it, extract the important information, and enter that data somewhere else. Your accounting team opens supplier invoices and manually types the vendor name, invoice number, date, line items, and total into your accounting system. Your operations team receives customer orders by email, downloads the attachments, and copies each detail into your order management system. Your HR department processes employee expense reports by checking each receipt, verifying amounts, and entering everything into a spreadsheet. This is not just tedious work, it is expensive work. If your team spends 15 hours per week on document processing at an average hourly cost of $25, you are spending over $19,000 per year on manual data entry. And that does not include the cost of errors, mistyped invoice amounts, missing purchase order details, lost documents that delay payments or shipments. AI document processing replaces manual reading and data entry with automated extraction and routing. Here is what happens when a document enters your system. First, the AI reads the document. It does not matter if the document is a PDF, a scanned image, a photo taken on a phone, or a Word file. The AI extracts the text and understands the structure. Second, the AI identifies what type of document it is: invoice, purchase order, contract, receipt, customer form. Third, the AI extracts the specific data you need. For an invoice, that means vendor name, invoice number, date, line items, amounts, and payment terms. For a customer order, that means customer details, product codes, quantities, delivery address, and special instructions. Fourth, the AI validates the information. It checks that dates are formatted correctly, that numbers make sense, and that required fields are present. Fifth, the AI sends the data where it needs to go: into your accounting system, into your CRM, into your order management platform, or into a spreadsheet if that is what your process requires. The entire process happens in seconds, with no human intervention required, unless the AI detects something unusual that needs review. Let me show you a concrete example. Your business receives supplier invoices by email. Some invoices are PDFs, some are scanned images. Some vendors send invoices as attachments. Others paste them directly into the email body. Without automation, someone on your accounting team opens each email, downloads or copies the invoice, opens your accounting software, creates a new bill entry, and manually types in every field. With AI document processing, this is what happens instead. The invoice email arrives in your inbox. The automation system detects it based on the sender or subject line. The AI extracts the invoice document, whether it is a PDF attachment or an image in the email. The AI reads the invoice and pulls out the vendor name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, line items with descriptions and amounts, subtotal, tax, and total amount. The AI validates the data. It confirms that the invoice number is unique, that the math is correct, and that the vendor exists in your system. The AI creates a bill entry in your accounting software, with all the extracted information already filled in. Your accounting team receives a notification. They review the entry, approve it, and schedule the payment. The entire manual data entry step is gone. What used to take 8 minutes per invoice now takes 30 seconds of review time. If you process 50 invoices per week, you just saved your team 6 hours of work every single week. Here is a second example. Your business receives customer orders through multiple channels. Some customers send orders by email. Some fill out forms on your website. Some send photos of handwritten order forms. Without automation, your operations team manually opens each order, reads through the details, and enters the information into your order management system or spreadsheet. With AI document processing, the system handles it automatically. A customer sends an order by email with a filled PDF form attached. The automation detects the incoming order email. The AI opens the PDF and extracts every field: customer name and contact information, product codes and descriptions, quantities, delivery address, requested delivery date, special instructions. The AI validates the information. It checks that product codes exist in your inventory system. It confirms that quantities are reasonable. It verifies that the delivery address is complete. The AI creates a new order entry in your system with all details populated. Your operations team receives a notification with the order ready for review and fulfillment. No manual data entry required. For handwritten order forms sent as photos, the AI reads the handwriting, extracts the information, and processes it the same way. What used to take 10 minutes per order now takes 1 minute of verification. If you process 40 orders per week, you just saved 6 hours of manual work. The business impact of document processing automation is immediate and measurable. Time savings are the most obvious benefit. Your team stops spending hours every week on repetitive data entry and focuses on tasks that actually grow your business. Error reduction is equally important. Manual data entry introduces mistakes, transposed numbers, misspelled names, missing information. AI processing eliminates most of those errors because the system reads directly from the source document. Cost reduction follows naturally. Fewer hours spent on document processing means lower labor costs. Fewer errors mean fewer costly corrections and delays. Faster processing improves your operations. Invoices get entered and paid faster, improving vendor relationships. Customer orders get processed faster, improving delivery times. Better visibility gives you clearer insight into your business. When all your document data flows automatically into your systems, you can generate accurate reports without manual consolidation work, and your team experiences less frustration. Nobody enjoys manual data entry. Removing that work improves job satisfaction and lets your employees focus on more valuable activities. Document processing automation is not a future technology. It is available now, affordable for small businesses, and simple to implement. You do not need a development team. You do not need to replace your existing systems. You do not need months of setup time. You need a clear process, the right automation tools, and a structured implementation approach. Your team can stop wasting hours on manual document work and start focusing on growing your business instead. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more practical AI automation guidance designed specifically for small business owners. Thank you for watching.